I'm Curtis Langley, HIT Superintendent, and we are here at Kellogg and Hansen in downtown DC. This was actually a artwork gallery that they took over. We built out the first and second floor. The second phase of the project was 3, 4, and 9 refreshed, and we're finishing up the terrace. So the island up there that the architect has designed has a metal surround with a stone top, and then the bottom of the stand is actually ceramic tile, which is definitely a challenge in the winter months when it's 30 or 20 degrees outside. But I think we've come up with a plan that we can install during the day when it's above 40, and then we'll use heating blankets to wrap the island and moving blankets to protect the heating blankets, and we can make this work so we don't hold up the project. One of the big challenges of this job was it was an occupied space. So we had to do a lot of temporary protection as far as walls and plastic and redirecting clients using back doors, getting card readers installed so they could have another access that was secured, keeping the client safe and offering them visitors PPE as they walk through the space. And the client was quite happy with what we gave them and what we built for them.